when Together comes to you, and we do this often, and we say we need, 10 megawatts or 20 megawatts in this place in the world or that place in the world. How do you make that happen?
So for us, we already have sites kind of identified across the planet. There's been more of a U.S. focus given everything that's going on, but there's European sites, Middle Eastern sites, and Asian sites. And for us, we really focus on making sure that our site selection is efficient. We're not looking to go through a multi-quarter process. We really focus. We say no to more sites, way more sites than yes. And we really look at the attributes of the site in the sense that where is it located? So one of our big focuses is making sure that the site is inference ready, not only training ready.
Right.
Lots of data center companies have built data centers in the middle of nowhere, really.
Right. Yeah.
Because that's where the power was available. But and it does work quite well for training, because as we know, training doesn't have as much of a latency issue.
Yeah.
But we don't feel that that's a long-term strategy. These assets are built for 20 to 30 years. You got to think of where the market is going, and we see inference, obviously taking over the bigger proportion of GPU capacity over time.
Right.
So location's key. If it's not in the right location, in the sense it's not close enough to a major carrier hotel in the city that we're looking to build in, and doesn't meet the latency requirements, we will pass on the site to start with. The second factor is power, right? Making sure that the power is there. And when we say power, it's not power in 27, it's not power in late 26. It's power within 6 to 9 months. Because without that, we feel that, yes, there will continuously be needs for AI as we go on, but we believe the biggest issue today is the next 2 years.